Hello class 10. This is part 5 of chapter Resources and Development. In this video, we are going to talk about land resources. Land is a resource which is most important for human beings. It supports natural vegetations, wildlife, human life, economic activities, transport and communication system. Land is an asset of a finite magnitude. Finite magnitude means of limited magnitude. It means it is available in limited quantity. Land cannot be increased. Therefore, it is very important to use the available land for various purposes with careful planning. See this diagram carefully on your screens. India has land under a variety of relief features, namely mountains, plateau, plains and island. About 43% of land area is plain, which provides facilities for agriculture and industry. Mountains account for 30% of the total surface area of the country and ensure perennial flow of some rivers, provides facility for tourism and ecological aspects. About 27% of area of country is the plateau region. It possesses rich reserves of minerals, fossil fuels and forests. Land resources are used for various purposes. The first one is forest. The second one is land not available for cultivation is used as a barren or wasteland, and the or land land is put to non-agricultural uses such as buildings, roads, factories. Other uncultivated land. The first point in this category is permanent pasture and grazing land. Here, the field is converted into a grazing field for the cattle. Second point is land under miscellaneous tree crop groves. Here, what happens? The land where a small group of tree is growing, such land area is not sown and it is considered to be a miscellaneous tree crop groves area. And the third point is a wasteland which is left uncultivated for more than 5 agricultural years. Fallow land. Current fallow, left without cultivation for one or less than one agricultural year. This means that the land which is left without cultivation for one or less than one agricultural year is known as current fallow land. The other than current fallow land, there are some land which is other than the fallow land, that is simply known as other than current fallow land, left uncultivated for the past 1 to 5 agricultural year. So the land which is left uncultivated for the past 1 to 5 agricultural year is known as other than current fallow land. Fifth point in this category is net sown area. The area which is sown more than once in an agricultural year plus net sown area is known as gross cropped area, or we can say the land which is cultivated for more than once in an agricultural year is known as gross cropped gross crop area.